Hey everyone, I'm from the Fast Brain Fix channel. I'm going to start doing something different the first time. I'm going to do the Fast Brain Fix channel recipes. I'm going to give you all the best recipes I think are good, and you can give me a comment below to let me know how they are or what I need to do. First one I'm going to have on my channel is going to be a potato chip cookies recipe. They yield about 24 cookies. Prep time is about 15 minutes. Bake time 12 to 15 minutes. First I'm going to give you the ingredients. Here they are. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. Half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1 large egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 cup crushed potato chips. Rigid ones work best. Optional for the extra flair. Half a cup of chocolate chips. All right, here are the instructions how to make them. Preheat oven to about 350 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl, beat butter, sugar, and brown sugar into a light and fluffy about 2 minutes. Add egg and vanilla, mix until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk flour, baking powder, and salt. Slowly mix the dry ingredients into the wet until just combined. Don't over mix. Gently fold and crush potato chips and chocolate chips if you're using them. Scoop tablespoon-sized balls onto the cookie sheet. Lightly press each one down. They won't spread much. Alrighty. After that, bake about 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are golden, but center still soft. Cool on sheet 5 minutes, then fully on a rack. If you want tips on next level cookies, if you want extra crush, do this. Don't over crush the chips. More salt kick, use kettle corn, kettle cooked potato chips. Gourmet flavor, add a pinch of brown butter. Caramel vibe, stir and crush pretzels. Flavor profile, sweet buttery cookies with crunchy salt bit of potato chips, like a chocolate chip cookie meets kettle chip super activity. If you want a chocolate version, a no egg version, air fry method, or extra viral style quiz, like the one people film for TikTok, just say which and I will mix it up and present it on this channel. Hope you like this. Let me know in the comments. This is my first time doing this for a recipe. And the recipe and instructions will be in the descriptions if you want to try to make it. If you try to make it, let me know how they are. Thanks. This is a Fast Brain Fix. See ya.